RC. All right, I'm Bego Racing RC Raceway for round 2 of the 2021 series. We're going to go with eBuggy first. So we've just finished the 2 qualifiers. You're only going to get to see the mains. Qualification 1, I did pretty well, except for the A wire came off my speed control, so that was a DNF. So in the second round I was in the lowest tier, and I finished second in that, because then I had another person that was racing with me who had also in the similar situation. We were the 2 fast people in that group. I got second. All that to say, we're in the C main for Buggy, and we'll show you that C main race next. So I didn't get I'm pole position in the C, very close to getting into the B. If I had got into the B, I would have had a chance to bump to the double A main. Not gonna happen because I'm in the C. That's where we're at. You're gonna get to see a C main with the eBuggy. Tuning wise, I made one small change. I made a change to the roll center. Here I lowered this link down, which has raised my roll center. I was watching some of the other footage of the racing I did with this, and I noticed the rear was a little bit squirrely, like it would dig and pitch, and I want it to slide a bit more. Since I do not currently have a higher rating sway bar, I did the next best thing, which is to raise the roll center. So once I get a heavier sway bar, I'll put that back, but for now I'm in the lowest position on the inside, short, and I'm still on the red spring fronts. Let's go ahead and do this thing in eBuggy. EB48 2.0. Okay, we're going up for the eBuggy C main. I'm starting in position 1. Pole position. Let's see if we can hold on to this thing. There is a confirmed bump, 2 bump ups. So if you finish in first or second, you get a bump to the B. And then if you win in first or second in that, you get a bump to the A, double A. It's possible, unlikely, but it's possible. eBuggy C main, Bego round 2.
Michel 4, Jonathan 5, Mathis 6, Jason 7, Christophe 8, Marshall, gardez votre coin, pas la course, drivers ready dans moins de 5.
Allez, c'est pas fort, ça. Whoa.
Mark.
Oh, vas-y, Matt, vas-y, non. Oh, vas-y.
Peux-tu replacer le carlon, s'il te plaît? Merci. Après 1 minute de course, John Kennedy a pris la tête, suivi par David Mercier en 2, Colton en 3, Mathieu 4, Mathis 5, Darrow 6, Jason 7, Jonathan 8, Michel 9, Daniel 10, Toby 11, Christophe 12 et 8, 13. Une minute 30 d'écoulée, il y a présentement 8 secondes derrière le lead pour la 2e position et une demi-seconde entre la 2e et 3e. Donc c'est très serré entre Mathieu et David Mercier. 8 minutes à faire. 8 minutes to do. Il reste 8 minutes à la course, 8 minutes to go.
Lost my first position on that bounce. I gotta chase someone down.
Après 3 minutes de course, Mathieu Caron prit la tête, suivi par John Kennedy, 2,5 secondes derrière. David Mercier, 12 secondes derrière l'élite, suivi par Daryl en 4, Daniel Béliveau 5, Carlton 6, Jason 7, Mathis 8, Michel 9, Jonathan 10 et Toby 11. Il reste 7 minutes à faire, 7 minutes to go.
Dumb move. Traffic.
Donc notre leader au début du straight. Notre deuxième position au début du straight. On fait attention à notre deuxième position. Notre leader qui vient de passer la loupe. On fait attention à notre leader sur le straight. Ça, on ne peut pas faire ça. Ça, c'était notre leader sur le straight. Attention. Ça, c'était la première position. Fais attention pour faire virer les autos des autres. C'est très important. Puis si jamais tu fais virer, t'attends à côté, puis si c'est ta faute. Restez intérieur double-double, restez intérieur double-double. Clear. Cinq minutes à faire. 5 minutes to go. Position officielle. Mathieu Caron premier. Daryl deuxième. John 3. Daniel 4. David 5. Jason 6. Carlton 7. Michel 8. Toby 9. Mathis 10 et Jonathan 11. Restez intérieur de double. Clear. Nos deux leaders qui viennent de passer la loupe. Donc 1,6 secondes entre la première et deuxième position. « 3 minutes 30 à faire. Donc notre première position qui vient de passer la loupe, suivi de le deuxième, l'auto orange, bleu et blanc. Donc nos deux leaders qui sont à la première épingle. Attention à notre deuxième position qui s'en vient. Attention double au deuxième, merci.
Ça lui vient, ça lui allait.
3 minutes à faire, 3 minutes to go. Donc, Mathieu qui vient de passer la loupe sur le straight. Daryl 4 secondes derrière.
Casing a lot of jumps. Whoa!
Attention à notre deuxième position double-double. Il reste 2 minutes à faire, 2 minutes to go. Donc, notre deuxième position, le taux orange, blanche et bleu. Il est au bout du straight. Notre première position, le taux jaune et rose, qui est à la première épingle. Restez intérieur au double. On charge, on regarde notre coin pour la course. Merci beaucoup. Une minute 30 à faire. Mathieu Caron en tête, suivi par Daryl Denis 3 secondes. John Kennedy 3. Daniel Béliveau 4. David Mercier 5. Jason 6. Carlton 7. Michel Bois 8. Mathis 9. Jonathan 10 et Toby 11. Il restait 1 minute à la course. 1 minute to go.
I'm in 3, but I don't know who number 2 is, so I have no idea. Just try and pass as many cars as
Je vous
we can.
rappelle, on ne peut pas starter les autos avant que l'autre course soit finie. Donc on start ça sur le stand, pas sur le pit stand. Merci. Donc 45 secondes à faire. Très serré pour la deuxième position entre John et Daniel. Donc c'est Mathieu 1er, John 2e, Daniel 3, David Mercier 4, Daryl 5 avec 15 secondes à faire.
I made it up in the... Oh no! Don't do that! Oh, dang it. Oh, I think he got me.
Daniel Béliveau terminé, Toby terminé, Kennedy terminé, Carlton terminé, Michel terminé.
I think I fell back to 3 at the end. I'm not sure though. Okay, that's that. Okay, that's the end of my race day with the 8 scale, the EB48 2.0. So I did run the C main. Unfortunately, I could not hold on to that second position, and I also did not get a bump up because you have to be in the top 2 to get the bump up. So anyway, that was a run with the EB48 2.0. I'm going to try and add some tuning parts into it before the Quebec Classic. That'll be the next big race we do with 8 scale. So join me when we get that video up. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new on here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. If you like these car stands, I'm going to be making a video about these too. They're from a company, KCRC.